So in question 41, we want to figure out, find an equivalent equation in a rectangular coordinate and the graph of the equation. So r is equal to -4 cosine theta minus 10 sine theta. So let me write everything. I have r is equal to -4 cosine theta minus 10 sine theta. So my goal is to actually convert that. This is in polar coordinate, and I have to write it in terms of rectangular coordinate. So I need to manipulate this expression. How do I do that? I can do so by multiplying both sides of this equation by r. So I multiply this side by r, so r times r here, and then this whole thing by r, so r multiplied by this whole thing. R times r is r squared. So r times this is -4r cosine theta, and r times that is -10 r sine theta, like that. So r squared will be equal to r. So remember that r cosine theta is equal to x, and r sine theta is equal to y. And also remember that r squared is x squared plus y squared. So this is actually x, this one minus 10y, like that. That turns like that. Now r squared, like I said, is x squared plus y squared, so I can rewrite it as x squared plus y squared equal to -4x minus 10y, like that. Now once I have that, I have to combine. I will combine the x's and the y's together. So I bring x on this side, so x, bringing that on this other side, change the sign, so plus 4y plus y squared, bring y on that side, change it to a plus sign, equals to, nothing is here, so 0. So I need to complete the square in here. So the way I complete the square, I write x plus half of the value that is here, half of this coefficient, which is 2, and I square the whole thing, minus that half coefficient, so minus that same expression, which is 2, and I square it, and then I copy the plus that is in here, plus, and I repeat the same operation for this one here. I copy y plus half of the coefficient that is here, and I square it, minus half of the same coefficient that I square, equals to 0. So x plus 2 square minus 2 square is 4, plus y plus 5 square minus 5 square is 25, equals to 0. Now I can, these are regular numbers, so I can add them up. So I have x plus 2 square plus y plus 5 square minus 29 is equal to 0. I can bring the 29 on the other side. X plus 2 square plus y plus 5 square equals to 29. And as you can notice, this is like an equation of a circle. Typically the equation of a circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square, like that. And this is the equation of a circle with center h, k, and radius r. So in this particular case, we notice that, so we have a circle with x minus minus 2, because minus and minus become plus, square, plus y minus minus 5 square equals to square root of 29, the entire thing being squared, like that. So this is an equation of a circle with center -2, -5, and radius square root of 29. But the question is actually asking just for this equation. This information can be useful to graph it, but up to now that's all we need. X plus 2, and I think that's the equivalent, so this is what we need. X plus 2, the entire thing square, plus y plus 5, the entire thing square, is equal to 29, and that's equivalent to our answer choice that is here. So answer will be C. Now the graph, we can draw a sketch. I know that, like I said, it's an equation of the circle with center HK. So what I can do is sketch. The circle, the center is -2, -5, so -2 is somewhere around here, -5 is somewhere around here, and I join those points, and that's my center. And I can draw my circle. Square root of 29, let me see what that is. Square root of 29 is what? 5.38, so like the radius will be about 5, so exceeding a little bit like that, like that, like that. So that's my circle. So let me see which one of the graph that they're suggesting is the one that I should select. So when I look at my graph is here, and the one that looks like my answer is this one. So those two are invalid, so my answer is answer A. So that's how you solve for 41. Now let's do 40.